How to add someone on Life 360 app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add someone on the Life 360 app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Life 360 app. If you don't have the app, you can easily get it from your Google Play Store or App Store. After doing that, simply open up your Life 360, and after you've done that, you will see this option. You can simply pull up, and after you pull this option up, there are different options such as add a person, add an item, manage places. So to add a person or add someone that is your friend or family, all you need to do is tap on add person. After you tap on it, you'll need to share this code. To share this code, you can easily copy this as well. You can copy this to clipboard, or you can send it by simply SMSing them or something like that. So this code will be active for 2 days, and after you share this code, that very person should just come up here and then put in the code in their Life 360 app, and then you guys will get connected. And that is how you can add someone on Life 360 app. And that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.